Welcome back, guys. Another beautiful morning in sunny North Queensland. Right, so today's video is going to be a real short one. I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to do a giveaway. We're nearly at the 1,000 subscriber mark, and that's pretty cool. I've only been doing this for 4 months, I think, around about. I'd have to check that. But yeah, the response has been more than awesome. I'm just stoked with the support I get from you guys. I can't believe anyone actually gives a shit what I'm doing when I'm riding around, but obviously is do, so thanks heaps for that. So what I'm gonna give away is a fucking surprise. I'm not gonna tell you, but I will need to get some details off the winner before I send it out. So it's gonna be unique to that person. So because I was wandering around up the shed and like just gonna give away some random shit, and then I'm like, nah, fuck it, I'll make it a bit more personal. So that's the plan. And of course it's gonna have the normal stickers and all that sort of shit in there as well, but I'm tipping it's probably gonna be someone from overseas, and I don't care about freight. I don't care what it's gonna cost me. I'll pay the freight. So you literally just win. You don't have to worry about any of that other shit. Oh, don't die. So yeah, that's the gist of it, guys. Just wanted to let you know, and you will have to be legal drinking age in the country wherever you're from, just to make that clear. But righto, catch you guys.